sorry. I'm trying to help you. Oh, no. Oh, okay, there. That was, did I help? Oh, he flew over there. Oh, I don't think that's working. Uh-oh, this is not good. This is a bit, oh no! I am happy to report that I have saved him. He's not real happy with me. I think maybe the tractor was the best place for you. I know. Okay. You want to go to the... He's ugly. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do with you. The cat knows where you are now. You have to shut up. He's going to find you. Shh. You stay up here and shut your mouth. And he might not find you. Maybe. I'll do something with the cat. You shut up. Okay, we're not doing good. We flew away. And the cat found him. He's selling the cat right off. Rightfully so. Scooter, listen. Listen to me. You're teasing him. You're making bad life choices here, little guy. So, we've got Bird. Dog. Cat. I don't know where we're going to put him. Where the cat ain't going to get him. Yeah, I'm going to set you up here. Don't do nothing foolish. Relax. Calm yourself. Now I see what you're up to. I'm taking the cat, and we're leaving. There, I hope you didn't fly somewhere stupid. You relax. No, you're not going. You're not going. You cannot eat the bird. I tried so hard to keep him alive. Leave him alone.